revealing a story of how Tobago dared to dream, dared to innovate, and dared to create a carnival that is uniquely our own.
Tobago Carnival is more than an event. It's a developing gem, one with the power to position Tobago as the greatest little island on the planet. A must-visit destination on the global stage. Each one of us has an important part to play in this journey of growth. From our special interest groups, to the media, to our dedicated staff, and to every participant. You are all vital to the success of this festival.
Tobago may be just 116 square miles, but it is a paradise that offers the world a stage. And we intend to fill that stage with the best of tradition, creativity, and performance. This year's theme, Murder, Mass, Music, captures exactly what October Carnival is about. Murder grounds us in history and heritage, connecting us to the rituals of freedom and the joy of release. Mass showcases the creativity, artistry, and storytelling that make Carnival the greatest show on earth. Music, the beats at the core of it all, uniting us, moving us, and making us come alive. Together, these three elements are not just a theme, they are a promise that Tobago October Carnival 2025 will be bolder, bigger, and better than ever.
Bandana.